Hey friends, Carlos the insurance guy here again. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about shopping for dental insurance. But first, for those of you who think I'm going to do this video without my paperboy hat, nope, not going to happen. Disappointed, I know you are, but I like it. I hate doing my hair in the morning, and really, secondly, I have no hair, and the only reason why I had it off today is because it was a pretty nice day outside, and I needed it to get some fresh air. So that's it. Anyways, shopping for dental insurance. Just like health insurance, there are a ton of different carriers out there. United Healthcare, CIGNA, Delta, STARMOUNT, just a slew of other dental plans. I I recommend STARMOUNT Dental because I have noticed that after doing some research, a bunch of different clients, they seem to be the most affordable with the best benefits and a large network of doctors and hospitals. So I'll put the link below for these three plans that I am showing you guys. STARMOUNT Dental, United Healthcare, and Cigna. They are the ones that I am most comfortable and used to. So first of all, let's talk about shopping for dental insurance. You want to always find a dental plan that your dentist is in network with, right? Just like health insurance, you always want to make sure that the health insurance you're shopping for, the doctor that you've been seeing all your life, accepts. Okay. Um, Dental insurance offers about three levels of benefits. They are preventative care, um, basic services, and major services. Preventative care is exactly that. Your routine cleanings every 6 months. That is preventative care. So cleanings and your evaluations and your X-ray maybe once a year. That's considered preventative care. Now, industry standard is that is usually covered at 100% without any kind of deductible. So that is usually the case. That is the case with all these three plans, these three carriers. Level 2 services, which are called basic services, those are usually covered at about 80 to 70%, and they cover things like simple extractions and cavity work, things of that nature. And then level 3 services are usually covered anywhere between like 50 to about 40%, and major services are root canals, implants, periodontic work, endodontic work, oral surgeries. Those are level 3 major services. Okay, so click on the link below. I'm getting pretty good at this whole YouTube video thing, and I found a way to capture the screen and still have a video down here in the corner. So check me out. It's going to get better in the future, I promise. But first thing you want to do is click on the link, type in your birth date. Any birth date is okay. And then type in your zip code and select who the plan is for, whether it's an individual plan for a spouse, for you and your spouse, or you and your children, or just the whole family. In this case, we're just going to do an individual plan. Now, a bunch of plans are going to pop up. You want to stay focused on the plan types that are PPO. The fee schedule plans are work a little bit different. We'll probably talk about that, how they work in a future video, but for now you just want to stick with the PPO plans. Now, my go-to plan, the one that me and my family are on, is this Ultimate Max plan. I'll tell you a little bit about it. It covers 100% preventative, 70% basic services, and 40% major services. Now, let's click on the plan details. Reason why I like the plan is it gives you a $2,000 maximum benefit. In most cases, industry standard is probably like $1,000 or $1,200. So when I wanted to pay out when I need it the most, I want to make sure they're not capped at $1,000 or $1,200. I want them to be capped out at a larger number. So that's why I like the Ultimate Max that has a $2,000 maximum benefit. So again, you'll see here preventative care, basic services, and major services. Again, preventative care is your routine exams, the x-rays, child services and whatnot. Those are usually covered at 100%. Level 2 basic services are covered at 70%. Simple cavity work, simple extractions. And level 3 major services are usually covered at 40%. Now, there is a waiting period for major services with this plan. And let me tell you why. You can imagine how many people call me and say, hey, Carlos, I need a root canal right now. My tooth is killing me. Well, I can't get you dental insurance today. Tomorrow you get your root canal, and then the third day you cancel insurance. The insurance companies would go broke. So that's why they always have waiting periods for certain things. Industry standard is always a 12-month waiting period for major services, and usually there is a 6-month waiting period for basic services, but that is one of the reasons why I like STARMOUNT Dental. There is no waiting period for basic services, so check them out. There are other companies out there that will give you major service benefits right away, but you got to sign a 1-year contract, and the level of benefits the first year is really nothing. It might be like 10%. It doesn't really help out at all. So when you have dental insurance, first benefit you get is the network discounts, right? You're walking in with an insurance card. The dentist and your insurance company, they have agreed upon contracted rates, so you're always going to pay discounted prices as opposed to walking in off the street, right? Secondly, just like health insurance, there are deductibles to the plan. It's usually a $50 deductible that gets applied to your basic services and major services. So watch out for that. Pre-authorizations. If you're going to get some major work done, make sure you get pre-authorizations. Make sure that the office that you're working with is sending out, a plan, or sends into your insurance company exactly what they're going to get done with all the codes that are necessary. This is going to alleviate any kind of surprises that any surprise bills that you might get for any major services that are done. You kind of always want to know what you're going to have to pay, how much they're going to have to cover. So get pre-authorization. Personal experience with us, our daughter needed some major service done. We talked to the office. We asked them if these were the contracted rates and how much we're going to have to pay. They were unsure. I said, well, my wife, she said, she works at a dental office. She's like, well, send that in. We need to get pre-authorization. We want to know exactly how much we're going to have to pay and how much you're going to have to cover. Long story short, they finally did. Work got done, and everybody was happy as a clam. So get pre-authorizations. Also, pre-authorizations are perfect for if you're gonna go under if you're gonna get anesthesia and you're gonna get put under for some major services. You always want to get pre-authorization for that stuff, because again, you don't want to get hit up with any kind of surprises. If something like that is going to be done, where you're going to an ambulatory surgical center to get some work done, they're going to put you under. Then don't be afraid to show them your insurance card as well. That stuff should be covered. Well, you're going to have benefit for that with your medical insurance. So show them both cards. Let them work together. Okay, guys. I hope this has helped. Click on the links below to shop your dental insurance. As always, don't be afraid to use an expert, whether it's me or anybody else on my team, or any other agent in this country. Our services are free. Use us. Call me, email, text me, anything you need. I'm here for you. I hope this video has helped you out a little bit, and don't forget to like the Facebook page and subscribe to Carlos the Insurance Guy on YouTube, and look out for more videos to come in the future. I appreciate you guys, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Okay? Bye-bye.